Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to fix this or change out the HID low beam bulb for this 2007 LEXUS GS350. As you can see, the driver's side on this side is not lit up, but the passenger is. Okay, so we're gonna pop up the hood and remove some of the plastic covers to get into the driver's side housing. So we're gonna pull out the latch to pop out the hood. Make sure you have some glove. By the way, this one is D4S. It says OEM, and this one's the HID Xenon by Savannah. This one's pretty expensive, $129.99 at O'Reilly and AutoZone. And O'Reilly, they offer 1 year warranty. AutoZone, they don't have any warranty at all, so I purchased from O'Reilly. So by the time with the tax and everything, it's about $141 and something. So we're gonna pop up the hood. And we're going to remove this plastic cover by removing those plastic fastener. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then on this one, seems like there's 1, 2. And we also need to remove this windshield washer fluid neck. There's like a 10mm bolt right there. After we remove the cover, we need to unscrew that so it can move out of the way. It's faster with my fingernail. My bad. This one is the push down type, not pull up. That's why that side is now coming out. Hot. Yeah. Alright, so after you remove all those fastener, now you can pop up the front piece.
Sorry.
No. The camera. Okay, there you go. Oh my god, it's super hot. Alright, so now we're gonna remove this too. Alright, so now you reveal this cover. We need to rotate counterclockwise to loosen it up, and then the bulb is inside there. We'll probably need to remove this 10mm bolt to move the neck out of the way. Yeah, need the brightness. Make sure the clear window is on top. The orientation. There you go. Okay, make sure this window is on top. The one with the clear. And this is a tricky bar right there. It says lock is clockwise, counterclockwise to unlock. Might have to wear a glove because it's high voltage. Okay, I unscrewed it, and then the bolt is in there. Shoot, right there. Got a spring right here on each side. You need to pull toward the top to disengage it. Alright, so I just disengaged the spring. There's another one right here that I need to press downward instead of upward to disengage that. Okay. I see the bolt is burned, and make sure the notch is toward the top. Okay, that's how I remove it. Or actually like this, a little bit slanted. I'm gonna put in the new one and hopefully it's gonna work. So there's a notch right there with a cutout on the bolt. You gotta fit in there. Alright, I pushed the clip on one side, the upper part already. Now I'm gonna do the bottom one, that spring. to lock it in. Alright, now it's good. And then the silver plug, gotta rotate clockwise to lock it. Alright, so you want to double check it, make sure it's good before we test out the bulb. Alright, so we're gonna test out the bulb before I put this washer neck back on. Okay. Alright, so yeah, it's working now, so we can put everything back. I think this is the high beam parking lights. It's supposed to be same as the OEM color. Okay, make sure you fit in there flush before you turn it clockwise. There you go. I'm gonna put this in. There you go. There's the bolt. Put the bolt. So in case you need to know the leveler, this is the high beam, low beam. It's kind of hard to see. You see if your headlight is straight or not, or aligned up properly. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Always. Peace.